Ciao, I'm Gabriel D'Annunzio. Welcome to the D&B Walkthrough Experience. Today we're going to do a walkthrough how we revitalize Bespoke shoes. First thing that we do is we mix a antibacterial and we spray in the shoe. We spray on top of the shoe, along the soles, and at the bottom of the soles. So the whole shoe is really, really clean. Then what I do is we do a steam cleaning. The steam cleaning will kill anything in there. And then we'll do a cheesecloth. Then I clean the edges, around the edges. With this, we get all that dirt out of it, that when you walk in water and in mud and all that, you don't even see it, but it's there resting. And, this cleans it out beautifully. So then I'm going to leave it sit there for about 10-15 minutes. I really want it to dry, and then I'm going to polish it. So this is a neutral polish, and then when I'm done, we'll concentrate a little more on the tip to give it a little more luster to it. But this is when you can see how the old polish, comes off, so that the shoe gets nice and clean. Bespoke shoes is a truly custom shoe. We have a scanner that we scan your foot, and then we send it to our shop in Italy. So the shoes are beautifully made, and you can see how it's looking very, very nice. This is our final step. This gives it a wonderful shine and a protection, and it really gives it a tremendous luster. And I even do underneath, and along the sides, so that the inside stays beautifully and beautiful shine. And then we'll let it sit for a while. It does have a little water repellency to it. And we do put a customer name in the soles, and that's a final personal touch to the shoe. And this is it. This is the final step, and now it's ready for the customer to wear again. Thank you for spending some time with the D&B experience. If you enjoyed yourself, please take the time to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, remember, if it doesn't fit, it doesn't flatter.